As you translate more and more of your own brilliant ideas into stunning but useful works of art, your library of masterpieces may make it a little difficult to locate your work or hamper your ability to find the documents you need to work on right now, especially documents shared with you by other users. Using Lucidchart's advanced search feature can help make it much easier to locate your documents, especially if you've already been using features such as document status, attributes, or tags. To search for documents using these features, click the Advanced Search button in the top right corner of your documents list. Here, you can narrow your search down to a specific location, file or folder, by specific document attributes, or even using custom tags. Just enter the criteria under the attribute you would like to filter your results by. For example, I need to review a document that was rejected last week, so I'll look for all of my documents with a status of rejected, and then click Search. Lucidchart will then apply your query to your docs list to help you find the documents you're looking for.